modern women cannot take criticism. If you're a guy and you try to go and tell women, oh, these are the things that men like, this is the things that men don't like, this is the things that men are complaining about women, these are the things that, oh, men feel like are double standards, these are the things that men feel like, oh, women have the privilege and advantage, they really don't want to hear it. I literally make videos on list of female privileges, and I literally make videos on why women are not oppressed. And like I said, what do the comments say? Oh, that's not true. You're a misogynist. Oh, you're a sexist. Oh, you care about the patriarchy. Oh. And my thing is, definitely not. If I didn't care about women, or I care about women so much that I'm literally looking out for the next generation of women. So when I see feminism trying to tear women down, and I see feminism taking advantage of literally the kids, the feminism wants you to the women to be in the workforce with the husband, and the kids gonna be where? At school, getting brainwashed, indoctrinated, and finessed. Okay, I'm trying to protect these women. All these women that are dying single because they want to be strong, independent, and do what it do. That's fine, but feminism is lying to you because a lot of women realize, oh, I'm in my 30s, 40s, 50s, and I realized that everything I believe was a lie. They tell me not to have kids. They tell me to focus on my career. They tell me to do this and that. Now, no guy wants me because I can't have kids at 50. No guy wants me because I can't have kids at 45. No guy wants me because even though I can't have kids, even though I still can't have kids at 35, I'm too old. There's a 22-year-old right there that's cuter than me, and she can also have kids. Why is he gonna choose me? And so my thing is, not only can they not take criticism, but whenever they realize the criticism is true, whenever you use facts, whenever you use statistics, they start to just get emotional. Oh, you're a misogynist. Oh, who hurt you? Oh, you don't care about women. Oh. And I'm like, when you tell me all that stuff, I don't say, oh, you're practicing misandry. I don't say that you hate men. No, I just say, oh, what do you think about men? Oh, okay. Well, okay, if that's true, I think men need to do better. Oh, this is what you believe? Okay, where's the statistics? Where are the numbers? Where are the facts? Where are the references? Okay? And like I said, most of these red pill channels that talk about all the things that women are doing in female nature and stuff like that, they most of the time use statistics. They use numbers. They back it up. So it's not that women don't want to hear what it is, or it's not that women don't like the things they're hearing, or the things they're hearing is untrue. It's just that they don't want to hear it. Why? Because women don't like to be accountable, and that's one of the things that they get told. And like I said, at the end of the day, you can decide what you want to do and what information you take in, how you want to feel, how you want to, but that's up to you. But for me, like I said, it's about facts and statistics. If you can give me the facts, you can give me the statistics, I might join you, I might go against you, either or. And like I said, numbers don't lie, and it's facts over feelings. And if you disagree, let me know why.